Hello everyone. Now let us make the free fall dive parachute. So you have this box given to you which has the parachute sheet with holes already given in it, and in the kit you have this thread. Now there are two plastic sheets in this. You would need only one for the activity. The other one you can keep it for some other time. So if you observe these sheets, it has holes in it and it has total of 8 holes around it. Now you have to fold it in half first. You have to fold the whole sheet in half, then again fold it half another time. Once the sheet is folded in a square shape, fold it again in a triangle shape such that all the holes align. Once all the holes are aligned, with the help of a sketch pen, you can draw a curved line along which we have to cut. So below the holes, we have to draw a curved line like this, which will be the mark at which we have to cut later. Now here one thing you have to be careful is that the marking should be at the open end, not at the closed end. Now with the help of a scissor, cut along this mark. Once the cut are done, you can open it up and you can see that it has come out in a kind of a floral design. Now from the roll we can cut 8 pieces of threads of same length. I have cut my first thread, the other one also should be of the same length. So now I have the 8 pieces of thread ready with me. Now one by one we can insert the thread into the hole and begin tying them. Tie securely. So now all the threads are tied to the sheet. Now while tying the threads also you have to be careful that when suspended, all the threads should be of same length. Now this is your parachute is ready. You can tie any of the items at your house and then you can watch them glide. So for example, you have this water bottle here. You can fill water in it and you can fill water to different lengths of different amounts. You can tie the threads at the neck of the bottle and maybe from the top of your house or terrace you can drop this and you can watch it slowly land on the ground. You can also experiment. By changing the amount of water in it and see whether the speed changes or it lands faster or lands slower. You can also tie some other toys of yours and you can play with this and challenge your friends. Hold it once, okay, then keep the bottle in between.